it's just a very good product for cleaning the fibreglass, and also other things like your plastic windows, all the chrome, what's on the boat. I just use Vistal now for everything on the boat, and
you use it on stainless steel as well.
I use it on.
I guess you don't have much here, do you?
I use it on everything on this boat.
Inside as well.
Inside.
Yeah.
I would not say it's a good product if I haven't used it myself, and I know what it does. Like, you know.
Yeah. Do you keep it on board when you go on trips?
Yes, I do.
And
I've got a tub down in my lazarette now.
Right.
And when I get a lot of people, when you take your covers off, you know, down the side, when it's been raining, they'll have black streaks down.
Yes.
And you know, I'll get the Vistal out and just it takes all the black, it takes all the work out of cleaning your boat.
Right.
So
fantastic.